Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage Discord server picture. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Are you a community owner? It doesn't matter what exactly you are. What matters the most is engaging community by elevating its performance and creating a fun image to draw their attention. However, the problem occurs when you don't know how to change the Discord server picture. Is this a problem you are currently facing? If so, relax. You no longer have to worry about it as we have delved into this video how to change to your Discord server profile picture. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now you can just choose on the server that you want to change the profile. As you can see in here on the server, it's different. I have changed the server picture. Now I want to change for another one. I want to change for this one. You can just choose on the server. You can open the server settings. Here, tap on settings. And you'll find on your profile, on the picture, you can just tap on that. You can choose from your gallery. You choose from my gallery. Maybe for the example, I will choose this picture. I will choose this picture as the profile. You can adjust the size. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner. Checklist. So now you have changed your Discord server picture on your Discord. So simple, right? So that is how to change Discord server picture. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!